Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I'm going to show you a dense, moist chocolate cake, an entire cake but made in the microwave. It is so dense and so yummy and chocolatey that it's unbelievable that it just takes all of 7 to 8 minutes in the microwave. I've got a little piece here. Let me show you exactly how dense and chocolatey it turns out. Look at that. Oh my God. Yummilicious. No more cumbersome oven baked chocolate cake. So we're standing in my kitchen. So let's get cooking. So we begin with 8 tablespoons of cocoa powder. I'm using a dessert spoon. Please use this spoon for all your measurements. Next we have 8 tablespoons of a sweetener. I've used Swerve. And next we have 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Again, I've used a small teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of cream of tartar. In that goes half a teaspoon of coffee powder. In that goes a pinch of salt, which always enhances the flavor of anything chocolatey. Next we have 4 eggs. In those go, and 8 tablespoons of cream. Any cream will do. Heavy whipping cream, single cream, double cream. Next we have 8 tablespoons of melted butter. In that goes. Give it all a good mix. And I'm adding Lily's chocolate chips. That's very optional, but I assure you it enhances the flavor too. Okay, I've taken a glass dish with a little bit of height. I wish I'd taken a dish with more height. And you pour all your mixture in, and it's ready for the oven. Ready for the microwave for 7 to 8 minutes. And I'm going to turn it upside down now. You don't need parchment paper, baking paper, nothing. It comes out absolutely perfect. And I've cut it into 8 to 10 slices. And as you've noticed, it's completely flawless too. Thank you for watching. Bye then.